Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Arda Eriyahma from Biologi Education 2019 Universitas Negeri Semarang. Today I'm going to talk about the influence of body mass and cricket movement activity on the rate of respiration. This presentation will be in 5 parts. First, I'm going to talk about introduction of my presentation. Second, I'm going to talk about the objective of my presentation. Third, I'm going to talk about methods. Fourth, I'm going to talk about result and discussion. 5, I'm going to talk about the conclusion. First, I'd like to talk about introduction. What you need to know. Respiration is the process of breaking down foodstuff that produce energy. Insects have a special breathing apparatus in the form of a tracheal system, which is made of tubes that are placed all over the body, which is a variation of the internal respiratory surface that falls, and the large tube is called the trachea. Respiration rate of cricket being influenced by several factors, such as body mass and movement activity. Okay, now I'd like to move on to objective. The objective of this experiment is to determine the effect of body mass on cricket respiration. In here, we use 3 different crickets. Okay, next, we want to talk about methods. The material are first 3 different crickets, 30 milligrams, 400 milligrams, and 600 milligrams. Second, Vaseline or plasticine. Third, KOH or NaOH. Fourth, cotton. 5, eosin. And the tools are first, respirometer. Second, stopwatch. Third, pipette or syringe. Fourth, a house balance. This experiment has 5 steps. Are first, measuring the mass of crickets. Second, wiping crystal NaOH or KOH with cotton, then enter the tube respirometer. Third, smearing section of pip scale with Vaseline or plasticine. Fourth, insert cricket into bottles respirometer, then cover with pip scale. And 5, covering pip scale and then insert droplet with a pipette or injection eosin. Now, we talk about result and discussion. Okay, you can see table 1, which that's the influence of mass body for cricket respiration. Next, we want to talk about discussion. Respiration means a process of combustion or oxidation of organic compounds or foodstuff in cells to obtain energy. Respiration reaction in general can be written such as in my presentation. Crickets whose body size or mass are smaller require more oxygen than crickets with large body size or mass. Based on the observation table, the volume of air needed by cricket is different. This happens because of the factors that affect the respiration of the cricket. For example, the different body mass between the two or the activities they do both. They need for oxygen or oxygen levels available and other factors. movement of the body that consumes a lot of oxygen into muscle to provide the energy needed by the body. Emotion, pain, and fear also affect the rate of respiration. Lastly, I'd like to conclude today's presentation by summarizing the information. Cricket, whose body size or mass are smaller, require more oxygen than crickets with larger body size or mass. This is because there are several factors that affect respiration, namely age, body condition, sex, and blood pressure. Giving a vaseline on the border between the tube and the capillary tube functions so that oxygen in the tube does not come out or oxygen from outside cannot enter. So the data of time is accurate. Giving KOH or NOH to the tube aims to absorb dioxide carbon so that the crickets then inhale dioxide carbon. Okay, I think it's enough. That's all of my presentation about the influence of body mass and cricket movement activity to rate of respiration. I hope this can be useful for you and see you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.